In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Todoist. This is really useful if you manage more than one account, for example, one for work and one for personal tasks, and you want to move between them without confusion. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what's happening along the way, and give you a few simple tips to avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you have Todoist open, either in your web browser or in the desktop app. You should already be signed into the account you want to switch away from. Take a brief moment to confirm that you're in the correct account by looking at the projects and tasks on your screen, just so you know which one you're about to log out of. To begin switching accounts, look for the settings area. In most versions of Todoist, you can find this by clicking on your profile picture or your initials in the top corner of the screen. When you click there, a menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Settings, and then click on it. Once you're inside the Settings section, you'll see several options related to your account and preferences. What you're looking for is the option to log out, scroll if you need to, and then click on Log Out. Todoist will sign you out of the current account and bring you back to the sign-in screen. Now that you're logged out, you can sign in with a different account. On the sign-in page, enter the email address and password for the other Todoist account you want to use, or choose the appropriate sign-in method if you normally use something like Google or another provider. Then confirm to sign in. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken into Todoist under this new account. Take a moment to double check that you're in the right place by looking at the projects, labels, or tasks. They should match what you expect for that account. From now on, whenever you need to switch accounts, just repeat this simple process. Go into Settings, log out.